Massage mo daw si Betty.
Massage mo nga si Betty.
Mga bebe. Bitis mo.
Ay, alam nila ipasok si Betty yung
Bitis mo, be.
Wawa naman si Betty ang iiyak. Ayun. Massage mo yung ulo ni Betty. Massage mo daw, baby. Massage mo.
Sounds like someone's been watching some scary movies lately. We're going camping in the far-flung forest. Wanna go?
Oh, ay galing. Massage mo si Betty na. Masakit ba yung ulo ni Betty?
Meet us there in 5
Lay
minutes,
down
okay?
siya dito.
Lay down mo sa taas si Betty kay Shark. Ay galing. Minamassage niya si Betty. Galing.
Dito, be. Oh, massage mo na si Betty.
Massage mo si Betty. Masakit daw yung ulo ni Betty.
Jiggle me into a kennel
Yung
on a
kalbo
stick.
ni Betty massage. Oo.
Pub tent for you in the car.
Aray. Pinalipit yung leg ni Betty.
Aray!
Tinapon si Betty. Aray. Pinapati niya yung paa pa. Pinapasok na yung paa ni Betty.
Kawawa naman si Betty.